Hello everyone, let's dive into the ANGEET 4-port HDMI KVM switch. This little device promises to streamline your workspace by allowing you to control 4 computers with a single monitor, keyboard, and mouse. The big question is, does it deliver? First impressions are positive. The build quality feels solid, with a metal casing that suggests durability. Setting it up is straightforward. The package includes 5 cables, which is a nice touch, along with a 12V power adapter. The inclusion of these cables means you're ready to go right out of the box, which is always appreciated. The main selling point, of course, is the ability to switch between 4 computers seamlessly. The ANGEET KVM switch offers 2 switching methods, a wired remote and panel buttons. Both are responsive and make changing between systems quick and easy. LED indicators clearly show which computer is currently active, eliminating any guesswork. One of the standout features is the HDMI simulation. This technology ensures that the monitor's resolution and refresh rate are remembered by each computer, even when it's not actively connected. This prevents the annoying window rearrangement that often occurs with other KVM switches, saving time and frustration. The ANGEET KVM switch supports 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring a sharp and clear display. It also boasts USB 3.0 ports, providing fast data transfer speeds for peripherals like external hard drives and printers. This is a significant upgrade over older KVM switches that often rely on slower USB 2.0 connections. The switch supports both wired and wireless keyboard and mouse combos. The unit has a power on and off switch and operates at 5 volts with a current rating of 2 amps. The connector type is plug-in, and the terminal is solder. The item dimensions are 8.27 by 2.95 by 0.91 inches. The switch type is push button, and the mounting type is surface mount. It also meets CE specifications. Overall, the ANGEET 4-port HDMI KVM switch is a well-designed and functional device. Its HDMI simulation, 4K support, and USB 3.0 ports make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who needs to manage multiple computers with a single set of peripherals.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.